Lauren here, Southwest Florida off-leash canine. I'm here today with 8-month-old Bernedoodle. Her name is Athena. She's here for our 2-week board and train where we hit a nice generalized set of obedience. So owners have let us know she comes into us with a lot of energy. She's a really good dog so far. We're at Babcock Ranch. It's quiet, but as far as distractions, I'm not seeing a lot of nervousness in her. She does want to explore. But the owners have let us know she really only knows how to sit. Everything else she doesn't want to do and is not interested in. So far, she's showing some interest in this flirt ball. I think the biggest thing for most dogs is find them an outlet, find something fun for them. But we'll see where she's at day one. Athena! Athena, sit! Athena, sit! Good girl, good sit! Sit! Yeah. Oh, good job! Hey, sit! Athena! No, please. Yeah, you see where she's at, guys. Check back in 2 weeks.